In today's video, I'll teach you how to bid on Kalshi. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in kalshi.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kalshi. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in Kalshi, you'll be able to make the money by simply betting on the real life events. So over here, you'll be able to find various topics. You'll be able to find the options like politics, sports, culture, crypto, climate, etc. So what you have to do is simply click on the topic of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option politics. Now over here you'll be able to find various categories. You'll be able to see the markets over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. You'll be able to see various questions or topics in which you can bid. You can also filter it if you want. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply click on the question in which you would like to bid. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can also see the chart over here. You'll also be able to see various options over here. If you scroll down, you can see the rules summary over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the ideas and activity. So if you want to bid, what you have to do is look right over here on your screen. You can see two options, yes, no. Depending on the question, the options might vary. So what you have to do is simply pick a side. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll have to buy this specific answer. So what you have to do is click on this option buy that you can see on the screen. You can also see the prices over here. Now what you have to do is deposit the fund to Kalshi in order to buy it. You'll be able to find various methods like Google Pay, debit card, connect your bank, Venmo and PayPal. So what you have to do is click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option debit card. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll simply have to provide the payment informations. Right now my account is not verified, so I'm not being able to proceed. But simply provide the payment informations. Likewise also follow through the prompts and provide all the information that they ask for. Depending upon the question, you can also limit the order and enter the quantity. You can specify how many contracts you want to buy. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply review and submit. Confirm the details. Once submitted, your position will appear in your portfolio. So like this, you'll be able to bet. So that is how you bet on Kalshi. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.